Okay student, now we are going to solve question number 3 part 3 according to your smart syllabus. We are going to simplify this part. The statement of question number 3 is simplify, and the third part statement is 5 raised power 2 and 2 raised power 3 is divided by 5 raised power 2 and whole raised power 3. So in solution, first of all, we will write the statement as it is. 5 raised power 2 and 2 raised power 3 is divided by 5 into 2 whole raised power 3. So in solution, first if we hide this number and we take the cube of 2, so it becomes 5 raised power, as you know, the cube of 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8. So we can write 2 raised by 3 as a 8. So we'll replace it by 8 and divided by using the law of exponent, that the base 5 has power 2 and this power will multiply by a whole power, so it becomes 2 raised power 3. So it becomes 2 3s are 6. So now we have 5 raised power 8 divided by 5 raised power 6. So in next step, we will write it as a, you can as you know that the dividend form can be written as in the fractional form. So we will write here 5 raised power 8 divided by 5 raised power 6. So by using the law of exponent, both the bases are same, so we will shift the power of 6 to the numerator's power, which is 5 raised power 8. So the sign of this power will be changed, and we can write it as 5 raised power 8 minus 6. By simplifying 5 raised power 8 minus 6, we will have 8 minus 6 becomes 2. So we have 5 raised power 2. If we simplify 5 square, so it becomes 25. So it is our answer, and it is the simplified form of 5 raised power 2 raised power 3 divided by 5 raised power 2 and whole raised power 23. If we simplify this, we will have the number 25. So in this way you can solve all the other parts of question number 3 by using the law of exponents. So first of all, you have to learn all the laws of exponents, so that they will help you out to solve the exercise 2.4. So according to your smart syllabus, you will solve the question number 1's part and question number 3's part, remaining parts, in your homework, and also the classwork is your homework. So please complete your classwork and homework, and complete your all the previous notes, so that it will help you out in your future exams. I hope you will complete your all the previous work and will maintain your copy and updated it, and will come for checking on Monday or whenever you are called. So better keep yourself safe and healthy. May Allah bless you all. These are the exercise 2.4. This is the exercise 2.4 we have revised. So complete this exercise and revise and practice it. Thank you so much, beta.